In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy trade on VantageFX markets. This process will allow you to mirror the trades of experienced traders directly from your own account, which can be an excellent opportunity for those looking to capitalize on the expertise of seasoned investors without having to dive into intricate market analysis themselves. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to go to the official VantageFX Markets website where you'll be prompted to log into your account. Logging in is straightforward, but make sure you have your credentials handy to ensure a smooth entry into the platform. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on the copy trading option. This will take you to the dedicated section for copy trading, which is the hub where you'll find and connect with master traders. Now you're going to browse through a list of available master traders. This is a critical step because these are the individuals whose trades you'll be copying, so take your time to explore the list thoroughly. You'll notice you can view detailed performance metrics for each trader. These metrics include their performance history, win rate, number of followers, and their overall risk level. This information is vital because it gives you insight into how well each trader has performed and what you might expect by following their trades. After reviewing the traders, it's time to compare them. Look for a trader whose style aligns with your personal risk tolerance and profit goals. Perhaps you prefer a trader with a consistent conservative approach, or maybe you're willing to take on additional risk for the potential of higher returns. Whatever your preference, this is your opportunity to select a trader that feels like the right fit for you. Once you've settled on a trader, simply click the copy button. This will initiate the process to start mirroring their trades. Now, it's time to specify how much of your funds you want to allocate to copying this trader's activities. Enter an amount that reflects your investment strategy and risk appetite. Additionally, you have the option to set up risk controls. You can choose parameters such as a stop loss, which will limit potential losses, a maximum drawdown limit to protect your investment, and proportional trade sizes to ensure your copying strategy reflects your preferred degree of exposure. Make sure to review all your settings carefully. This includes double checking your risk preferences and ensuring that all parameters meet your expectations for safety and growth. Finally, when you're satisfied with everything, hit the submit button to begin copying the trader's positions. With that, you're all set to start copy trading on VantageFX markets. Remember to monitor your account regularly to stay informed of your investment's performance. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to exploring the world of copy trading and potentially enhancing your investment returns. Thanks for joining me, and happy trading.